Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Leaders. In this video, we will work on the previous year question paper CBSE Assistant Professor Part 2 Skills for Academic and Office Work and Analytical Ability. Question 51. The Upanishad mark dash part of Vedic literature. It is concluding part of Vedic literature. Which among the following statement are true in the context of paradigm? Paradigm is basically change. So 2, 3 and 4. Paradigm are a way of looking at the world. Paradigm are different assumptions about what the world is like. Paradigm is a way of looking at or researching phenomena. So paradigm are not just a simple methodology. The theory of alienation was given by Karl Marx. Which of the following statement is true about Charvaka's philosophy? Individual is not identical with the body. The anti-positivist, post-positivist movement in sociology is represented by which of the following school of thought? This is 1, 2 and 3. So, post-positivist movement in sociology is represented by phenomenology, ethnography, symbolic interaction. Answer 3 is correct. Which one of the following is true in the context of assumption and nature of science? 2, 3, 4. Empiricism, parsimony, generality. So, these are true in context of assumption of nature of science. As per John W. Creswell, there are 6 steps of any research which are given below. Arrange them in correct sequence. So, what is the correct sequence? Answer A 3. पहले आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम को, फिर रिव्यू करेंगे हम लिटरेचर को, देन स्पेसिफाई करेंगे पर्पस ऑफ रिसर्च, देन डेटा कलेक्ट करेंगे, एनालाइज करेंगे, रिपोर्ट करेंगे. Which among the following is true in context of research question? 1, 3 and 4. Research question indicate what the research is really about and what it must address. Research question stem from overall purpose, objective and design. Research question are concrete question carefully composed in order to address the research objective. So, research question is not the start of the research. Post-structuralists argue that individual agencies has prominence. People are diverse and different. Indeed, they may carry contradictions and tension within themselves. Answer 3 is correct. As per John W. Creswell, there are usually 5 steps in conducting literature review. Which are given below. Arrange them in correct sequence. So literature review के लिए जो steps होते हैं 5, इसको order में arrange करना है. This answer is 2. पहले क्या करेंगे हम? Identify करेंगे, then locate करेंगे, then critically evaluate करेंगे, then organize करेंगे, then write a literature review. Which among the following are true in context of ontology of qualitative research? 1, 2 and 4. Qualitative research जो है वो regard people as anticipatory, meaning making, being who actively construct their own meaning of situation. People are deliberate, intentional and creative in their action. Knower and known are interactive, inseparable. Answer 3. Which of the following statement is true in context of classroom research? इट इज़ डन टू टेस्ट द अजम्पशन ऑफ एजुकेशनल थ्योरी इन प्रैक्टिस। क्लासरूम रिसर्च जो है वो एजुकेशनल थ्योरीज के अजम्पशन को जो है वो टेस्ट करती है। इट मीन्स ऑफ इवेल्युएटिंग एंड इम्प्लीमेंटिंग होल स्कूल प्रायोरिटीज। Which among the following are true in context of research philosophy? 1, 2 and 4. Research philosophy complex field है, multidimensional है, difficult to put together a simple framework. Which among the following are primarily responsible for managing the available resource effectively for producing desired outcome achievement in schools? Head of the institution. Which among the following statements are correct in context of probability sample? 1, 2, 4. Probability sample क्या होता है? Research wishes to be able to make generalization, draws randomly from the wider population, sampling used in randomized controlled trials. Which among the following statements are true in context of post-modernism as per R. Pring? And 3. Answer 1 is correct. Which of the following statement true according to Socrates? 3 and 4. He was concerned about the lack of moral education among people. He was constantly instructed the young to scrutinize their lives and beliefs. Answer 3. Reliability, statement 1. Reliability is necessary but insufficient condition for validity in research. Reliability is a necessary precondition of validity. So, statement 1 and 2 both are correct. Which among the following Upanishad explain about Panch Kosh? Taittiriya Upanishad. So this is very important question. कौन सी उपनिषद जो है वो पंचकोश को एक्सप्लेन करती है? इट्स तैत्तिरीय उपनिषद। हमने योगा में पंचकोशास की बात की है। In this book Republic, Plato discussed about education. Which of the following statement is true about education according to Plato? Social education is a means of social justice. Institutional planning has several stages which are given below. Arrange them in correct order. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are in correct order. Below are two statements regarding classroom practices as per National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2023. Choose the correct answer from the given option. Different classroom practices directly or indirectly do not promote different values. If all the students always sit facing the blackboard in the class, it conveys a perception that primary source of knowledge is the blackboard and a teacher. So, statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. डिफरेंट क्लासरूम प्रैक्टिस डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली जो है वो डिफरेंट वैल्यूज़ को प्रमोट नहीं करता है, और जो है स्टूडेंट अगर ब्लैक बोर्ड को फेस करते क्लास में बैठेंगे तो बेसिकली ये जो है परसेप्शन प्राइमरी सोर्स नॉलेज जो है वो ब्लैक बोर्ड एंड टीचर ही नज़र आएगा, इसीलिए वो सेमी सर्कल का कॉन्सेप्ट टीचिंग में है. विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू इन कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ पोस्ट positivism? 2, 3 and 4. Post-positivism believes the facts, observation and theory laden and value laden. Fact theories and fallible different theories may support specific observation facts. Reject relativism, but it adopts pluralist view of multiple coexisting realities rather than single reality. Match the branches of Western philosophy according to their characteristic. So, metaphysics related to discuss the general problem regarding the human nature of God. Epistemology, theory of knowledge. Logic discuss the laws of valid reasoning and other problem ethics, investigate the problem morality. So सामने सामने इसकी मैचिंग. अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं इन सारे क्वेश्चन का एक्सप्लेनेशन और इससे रिलेटेड और भी जो है वो क्वेश्चन लेकर के आऊँ और उसको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूँ, तो प्लीज़ आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और मुझे कमेंट करें कि मैम आप इस जो है क्वेश्चन पेपर को और अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करें, तो मैं ज़रूर करूँगी. विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर ट्रू इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ पॉजिटिविज्म? 1, 3 and 4. Positivism associated with 19th century French philosopher Auguste Comte. It believes all genuine knowledge is based on sensory experiences, is less successful in its application to the study of human behavior. Which among the following statements are true in context of epistemology of qualitative research? 1, 2 and 4. All factors to be taken into account, understanding a phenomena rather than limited number of variables, behavior and thereby data are socially situated, context related and context dependent. Situation affect behavior and perspective and vice versa. So answer 3. Which of the following count as research according to Schulman? Arguments and evidences can be examined. Who is the author of the book The Second Sex? Simon de Beauvoir. ये क्वेश्चन ड्रॉप कर दिया था. Below are two statements regarding symbols as per National Curriculum Framework for School Education 2020. The schools try to communicate a lot through the use of symbol. A symbol is any form of visual sign that conveys what the school values are important. So both are correct. Which among the following are core characteristic of a strong and inspiring relationship that a school needs to develop as per National Curriculum Framework for Education, School Education 2023? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The mutual trust and respect, openness, communication, collaboration, care, responsibility. It doesn't talk about superiority. Which of the following statement is true in the context of teacher as a researcher? They think systematically, critically about what they are doing. Given below two statements, one labeled as assertion and other reason. Correct answer with the help of code given below. Assertion: classroom research by teacher is valid form of research. Classroom research by teacher result in hypothesis generated through a rigorous process of inquiry and grounded in data to which they apply. So both are correct. R is the correct explanation of A. दोनों सही है और reason जो है वो सही explain कर रहा है assertion को. Given below two statement, assertion, reason. Assertion क्या है? Philosophy is important for any research. Philosophy expresses value and views and values about the world. So both are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. दोनों सही है और ये जो है explain भी कर रहा है. Which of the following statements are true in the context of ethnomethodology? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Ethnomethodology directed to mechanism by which participants achieve and sustain interaction in social encounter, seek to understand social accomplishment in their own terms, understand social always from outside. Which of the following is the characteristic of institutional planning in a school? It is goal oriented. Correct statement. Statement: reliability is the development of sound evidence to demonstrate that the test interpretation matches the proposed use. Validity means the score from an instrument are stable and consistent. They both are incorrect. The theory of social contract was given by Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Which among the following is are true in the context of mixed research approach. 1, 2, 3. Mixed research overcome the weakness, biases of single approach, accuracy of data, reliability through triangulation, enables more comprehensive and complete understanding of phenomena to be obtained. Choose the correct answer. Research is very creative process. Research is always a matter of collecting information and answering the question. This is right, this is wrong. Statement 1 is correct but 2 is incorrect. Research is a creative process. Choose the correct answer. Philosophy means love of knowledge, that is wisdom. Philosophy tries to know things immediately and remotely concern human being. Both are correct. As per John W. Creswell, which of the following statement true about the context of research? A purpose is a major intent or objective of the study used to address the problem. Which among the following are true in the context of theory? 1 and 4. Explanatory framework is a way of looking at the situation and sometimes cannot binary opposition. Which among the following is true about quantitative hypothesis? It narrows the purpose statement in research. Which of the following statement true in the context of Aristotle philosophy? 1 and 3. Aristotle philosophy considered private property as essential and justified. He justified slavery. Match the following. So, as per John W. Creswell, outcome of study which the researcher is trying to explain is dependent variable. Variables or factor which influence the outcome is independent variable. Variable which also needs to be measured to ensure that only major factor influence the outcome, not any other. Control variable. Variable which may influence the outcome but are not measured. This is confounding variable. Which among the following are true in context of safety and security in school as per National Curriculum Framework for Foundational Stage 2022? 1 and 2. 1 and 3. Nutritious midday meal must be served under safe and hygienic condition. Through stories and play, teacher could introduce ideas of safe touch, unsafe touch to children. So NCF क्वेश्चन है 2023-2022 पे, क्रेसवेल के क्वेश्चंस हैं कई सारे. इससे आपको हेल्प मिलेगी फॉर फर्दर स्टडी. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट आर ट्रू इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ बुद्धिस्ट फिलॉसफी? 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4. Buddhist philosophy, existence of everything in the world, material and mental, is caused by some other thing. All things are subject to change. Suffering depend on birth in this world. So, which of the following is are true about data collection in research? Data collection is a part of whole system of research. Data collection is a rigorous process. Which of the following are forms of probability sampling? 1, 2 and 4. Snowball, stratified and multi-stage cluster is a probability sampling. So, अब आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर से समझ में आ गया होगा कि हमें क्या चीज़ पढ़ के जाना है, क्या चीज़ नहीं पढ़ के जाना है और किस जो कॉन्सेप्ट से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं. दिस क्वेश्चन पेपर विल हेल्प यू. थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आप चाहते हैं इसे मैं और अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूं तो प्लीज़ आप कमेंट करें, ठीक है. सो थैंक यू सो मच. इफ़ यू लाइक माय चैनल प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू सो मच.